Now I will give you a sentence. You have to change this sentence into question. Into question. Make it question, okay? Right. For example, I go to school. I go to school. Can you change this into question form? Yes. I go to school.
I go to school.
Do I go to school? అలా చెప్పాలి ఓకే డూ ఐ గో టు స్కూల్ వెరీ గుడ్ రైట్ హీ ప్లేస్ క్రికెట్ హీ ప్లేస్ క్రికెట్ ఎస్
Does he play cricket?
వన్స్ అగైన్
Does he play cricket?
హీ ప్లేస్ క్రికెట్
Does he play cricket?
డస్ హీ ప్లే క్రికెట్ నాట్ డోస్ డస్ ఓకే రైట్ లత టేక్స్ కాఫీ ఎస్
Does Lata take coffee?
వెరీ గుడ్ డస్ లత టేక్ కాఫీ గుడ్ we play a game yes
Do we play a game?
do we play a game good right raju eats fruit raju eats fruit yes
Does Raju eat food?
does raju eat fruit very good sit down we read stories yes one we read stories yes come on yes yourself
Do we read a story?
do we read stories not a story stories do we read stories good next I like mango I like mango
Do I like a mango?
do I like mango right you like chocolate
Do you like chocolate?
do you like chocolate good
Do I like chocolate?
good very good lokesh writes a book lokesh writes a book yes
Does Lokesh writes a book? Right?
once again
Tapu sir. Does Lokesh writes a book?
once again does lokesh write a book not writes okay does good next okay claps